In today's video, we uncover the untold story of Femi Adebayo. Femi Adebayo was born on December 31, 1978 in Lagos, Nigeria. He is a renowned actor, lawyer, filmmaker, and film director. He is a prominent figure in the Yoruba segment of Nollywood, Nigeria's expansive film industry. His father, Adebayo Salami, also known as Oga Bello, is a veteran actor and a filmmaker which influenced Femi's career in the entertainment industry from an early age. Early life and education. Femi Adebayo was born into a family deeply rooted in the entertainment industry. Growing up, he was exposed to acting through his father's work. He completed his primary and secondary education in Lagos. He then went on to earn a bachelor's degree in law from the University of Ilorin. He furthered his education by obtaining a master's degree in law from the University of Ibadan, emphasizing his dedication to academic excellence. Acting career. Femi Adebayo began his acting career in 1985 when he was just 7 years old, featuring in his father's film Ogun Ajayi. However, he became professionally active in the industry in the mid-90s. His breakout role came in the Yoruba movie Owo Blue in 1997, which earned him widespread recognition. He has since appeared in, produced, and directed numerous films. Some of his notable works include Jelele 2011, a comedy film where he played the titular character, showcasing his versatility and talent in comic roles. October 1, 2014, directed by Kunle Afolayan. This film saw Adebayo playing a significant role in a critically acclaimed historical drama. Survivor of Jelele 2019, a sequel to Jelele, continued the comedic adventures of the beloved character. Ageshikole 2022, Jagunjagun 2023, Ilẹ̀kùn Méje, 7 Door 2024 coming soon. Femi Adebayo's performances are known for their depth and authenticity, often reflecting the cultural and social issues of the Yoruba people. His ability to portray a wide range of characters has made him one of the most sought-after actors in Nollywood. Production and directorial work. In addition to filming, Femi Adebayo is also a successful producer and director. He founded J15 Media Network Nigeria, a film production company through which he has produced several films. His directorial works maintain high standards, contributing significantly to the growth and development of the Yoruba film industry. Awards and recognitions. Femi Adebayo has received numerous awards and nominations throughout his career, acknowledging his contributions to Nollywood. Some of these accolades include Best Indigenous Movie Yoruba at the African Magic Viewer Choice Award, City People Entertainment Awards for Best Actor, Nollywood Movie Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role. Personal life. Femi Adebayo was previously married to Khadijat Adebayo, with whom he has 3 children. The marriage ended in divorce, and he later married Omotayo Sanusi in 2016. His personal life has been relatively private, focusing instead on his professional achievements and contributions to the film industry. Other ventures. Beyond the film industry, Adebayo has also made his mark in academia and business. He has a law practice and occasionally lectures on law, demonstrating his commitment to his legal career. His involvement in various business showcases his versatility and entrepreneurial spirit. Philanthropy. Femi Adebayo is also known for his philanthropic efforts. He is involved in various charitable activities and uses his platform to support numerous causes, particularly those aimed at improving the lives of underprivileged individuals and communities. Conclusion. Femi Adebayo's journey in Nollywood is a testament to his talent, hard work and dedication. From his early days in the industry to becoming a leading actor, producer and director, he has consistently contributed to the growth and evolution of Nigerian cinema. His multifaceted career, spanning law, acting, production, and philanthropy, underscores his role as a significant figure in the entertainment industry. Please kindly subscribe for more updates from Real Brain TV.